This was actually a three-phase motor, but with the inverter that we put on there, we're able to use single phase and then just run that motor. That's how we get that horsepower. Most bench grinders on the market have a dust collection system to each one of the wheels, or a dust port, I should say. We just kind of combine them both, made it a single port dust collection. So you only need one hose to attach to the back and then just draw all that dust out. I'm going to speed that up again to 3600. And this one is a one horsepower. What I would say is that it's a 1 horsepower underload. When I start pushing against the wheel and actually trying to stop it, that's when you get the horsepower. And then you'll see that we won't lose any RPMs when I start leaning against it.
But very impressed with the balance on the tools as they're spinning. Like Ramon said, you know, almost zero vibration, and that thing isn't even tied down to a bench that's tied down or squared up. You know, that's pretty much what you would say, throw and go.